Hello, my name is Andreea Ionescu and I'm product lead here at Inflo. Please join us in January 2023 for 6 hours of high-value content over 2 days. Hear the latest trends from leaders in audit innovation and learn new tips and tricks to improve your December year-end audits. Whether you're an experienced user of the Inflo platform or you haven't yet made the change, you'll benefit from the wisdom of Inflo's experienced audit team. I, together with my team, will be offering top tips for performing an effective audit on day 2 of the event. We'll be providing details about how to save time, which regulator findings you need to be aware of, opportunities to add more client value, and where technology can help. The areas of the audit we will cover are risk assessment, management override and journal entries testing, and revenue testing. I look forward to seeing you all there.